Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Agoda booking to Apple Wallet. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the wallet application on your iPhone. This application typically comes pre-installed on iOS devices. After that, look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to add a new pass. Now choose the option to add an other pass if Agoda does not have a specific pass type. Now manually enter the relevant information for your Agoda booking. This might include reservation details, confirmation numbers, and any other relevant information. Once you have entered the details, tap on Add or Add to Wallet. Review the information you have entered, and if everything is accurate, confirm the addition to your Apple Wallet. Now open the wallet application anytime you want to access your Agoda booking details. So this is how you can add Agoda booking to Apple Wallet. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.